Good afternoon. My name is Marlis Alvarez Carrillo. Would you like the conversation between the waitress and the client? May I take your order? Yes, I like hamburger and a late order of fries, please. All right. And would you like salad? Yes, I have Miss Green salad. Okay, what kind of dressing would you like? We have vinaigrette, Italian, and French. Italian, please. And would you like anything to drink? Yes. Like a large soda, please. My conversation. Good afternoon. A table for one, please. Sir, lady, please follow me. After you take your table. Can I take your order, lady? I want the seat on the grid and an order of frites. Okay, seat and frites. What would you like to drink? Can I see the drink menu? Of course, here is. I want a glass of wine. Would you like a coffee or a dessert? A cup of coffee would be fine, thank you. After finish 18. Could you hit me the bill, please? Sure, lady, here you are. Can I pay by card? No, only in cash. Okay, here you have $15. Keep the change. Thank you, lady. You have a good day. And thank you for attention.